In this video, we'll learn about the benefits of HIIT. Everyone wants the fastest and most efficient way to get in shape, and HIIT definitely promises to deliver. As such, the idea of being able to work out for such a short time and get results sounds like a no-brainer. So, when you're pressed for time, HIIT training is the way to get the job done quickly and effectively. In this sense, it's an ideal solution for anyone who does not have the time to exercise for long durations. Individuals on the go, those with hectic schedules, or others not willing to invest too much time into workouts can benefit, although effort is non-negotiable. While additional calorie burn, fat loss, muscle gain, and improved endurance are a given with HIIT training, and will be discussed in greater details later on, here are some of the most promising benefits HIIT training can offer. Improves oxygen consumption. In simple terms, oxygen consumption can be described as the ability of the muscles to use oxygen. For non-athletic personnel, typically this is possible only after regular cycling or running, but with HIIT, the benefits can be achieved by anyone in a much shorter period of time. HIIT improves the stroke volume, which is the volume of blood pumped around the body in one contraction. This volume increases when you exercise, given the body's higher need for oxygenated blood. A study conducted regarding oxygen consumption stated that in a 5-week time period, working out 4 days weekly with 20-minute HIIT workouts led to improved oxygen consumption by almost 9% of the subjects. The result is the same as cycling for 40 minutes every day, which requires far greater energy. So, HIIT may improve oxygen consumption as much as traditional endurance training, even when you exercise for only half as long. Cardiovascular benefits. In terms of health benefits, other than weight loss and improved oxygen consumption, HIIT can provide help with managing cardiovascular health. Perhaps the most important thing in this regard is lowering the resting heart rate and reducing blood pressure. While it's well known that extreme training delivers extreme results, most people find it hard to push themselves to an anaerobic zone. HIIT training makes it easier to do so and push yourself to a level where your heart beats faster and you lose your breath, and then recover in the rest interval that follows. Over time, this training can result in a lower resting heart rate, which also lowers the risk of suffering from a heart condition. Likewise, HIIT can help with lowering blood pressure levels, as this form of intense exercise can help reduce arterial stiffness. High-intensity interval training can also improve endothelial function, which is the ability of the arteries to dilate, better than moderate intense training. Good endothelial function is also important for blood pressure control and blood vessel health. Comparative studies have shown HIIT to be more effective than traditional cardio done at a steady pace in lowering blood pressure readings. Helps reduce blood sugar. When done over a period of 12 weeks, HIIT may be beneficial for reducing blood sugar levels. Not only does it improve metabolism, but may also do the same for insulin resistance. Patients with diabetes are often asked to exercise to bring their blood glucose levels down. Research now shows that HIIT training rapidly improves diabetes glucose metabolism in muscles and insulin sensitivity in type 2 diabetes. Intense muscular contractions during HIIT stimulates muscles to take up glucose from the blood to be used as fuel, which lowers glucose concentrations. Interestingly, the same can also happen whether insulin is present or not, so the approach can also work with people with type 1 diabetes. Boosts metabolism. As mentioned earlier, combining high intensity with interval training brings about EPOC, which has the result of speeding the metabolic rate. The effects of this mechanism can be felt for up to 48 hours after a HIIT workout. This means that you will continue to burn fat long after leaving the gym. Researchers also agree that as compared to jogging or running, HIIT can really push up the metabolic rate. Also, another plus point of this training is that it allows utilization of body fat for energy rather than just carbs alone. A study concluded that only 2 minutes of high-intensity interval training led to increased metabolism for 24 hours, which could easily outweigh the benefits of 30 minutes of jogging. Time-saving features that require no equipment. With HIIT, you no longer have the excuse of not having sufficient time. In fact, HIIT workouts are doable anywhere from your home to a hotel suite or even outside in the park. Plus, workouts are quick and short, with the longest being no more than 30 minutes at most. Who doesn't have time for that? Another benefit of HIIT is that it doesn't require any specific equipment, helping you save money while providing health benefits at the same time. All that is required for HIIT is some space where you and your body weight can get started. Create customized workouts. If you're not up to using weights or machines for your workouts, no worries. HIIT can be customized to your individual levels and skills. The most basic workout may use only body weight, as the aim is to get your heart rate up and keep it there. You get to pick any kind of exercise which elevates the heart rate and then create an interval workout. You also get to change your exercises every session, which provides an advantage and allows you to not tire or get bored by doing the same thing again and again. HIIT is a fun and entertaining way to reduce fat and improve overall body health, as it allows you to keep changing workouts, eradicating the boredom element. The same also provides a challenge to beginners and newbies by helping them transform and see the changes in their body. It's a challenge to let go of the comfort zone and pursue an exercise that holds massive benefits. HIIT is efficient. If you have a busy schedule and you're unable to work out regularly, HIIT is the thing for you. If you have an event coming up for which you want to look nice, try HIIT, as it is more effective than a regular workout and can provide noticeable results much faster.